Bro, are you still hitting the Benjamin?
Of course, bro. What do you expect me to do? Just quit?
Dude, I wish you could, but you need to detox your lungs.
How?
All right, take these. Yeah.
Bro, what is this? Breathe easy?
Yeah. So basically, they have an ingredient called mullein leaf, and basically, you'll cough out all the toxic stuff from your lungs.
Really? This is gonna detox my lungs?
Yeah, dude. Yeah,
Bro,
dude.
30 servings? That's a whole month worth,
Yeah,
bro. Where
dude.
did you get this
Bro,
from?
I got off TikTok shop, and guess how much it was?
Bro, this gotta be like $70. Bro.
Nah, bro. So actually, right now, it's going for like $30.
$30? That's it, bro. I need these. Can you send me the link?
Bro, say less. I'm gonna go ahead and link it right here.